Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Gurum Vaishnava Daita Yachyate Anadi Ananta Rupam Adyang Purana Purusam Navajovananch Vedeshu Dullabhayadurlabhayatma Bhakto Govindamadi Purusam Tamaham Maya. So, Advaita. Advaita means without duality. Advaita Achyuta. Krishna and Krishna's expansion. Krishna's expansion, Baladev, Sankarshan, Aniruddha, Pradyumna, then Narayan, then Mahavishnu, Karandaksai Vishnu, innumerable expansion. Advaita Achyuta, Anadi Anantaru. Each and every form, Krishna, they are without any duality. Just like my eye and my photograph, that is my expansion. But it is not one, it is dual. What service you can take from me, you cannot take this service from the photograph. Therefore, it is not Advaita. It is Dvaita, duality. You may have millions of photographs, but they are each one of them, they are different. But Krishna, he has got millions of forms, they are one. That is the difference. Advaita Achyuta. Achyuta means one who does not fall down. Because he has expanded in so many forms, it does not mean the potency of Krishna has decreased. The same thing you chant in the Ishopanishad. Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Avasishyati. Krishna is so full. Purna means complete. If you take complete Krishna, from Krishna, he still is Krishna. That you cannot understand in the materialistic condition. Because if I have got 1 rupee or $1, if I take that $1, then it becomes 0. But Krishna is so complete, you go on taking Krishna, 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 and still Krishna is complete. Advaita Achyuta. Achyuta means does not diminish or does not fall. Advaita Achyuta Anadi. Anadi means which has no beginning. Because we have got this material body, we have got a beginning. You may ask somebody, what is your birthday? That means beginning. Anything material, it has got a beginning and end. Anything which has got beginning has got end also, and change also. So, Krishna has no beginning, there is no end, and there is no change. Try to understand. Advaita Achyuta Anadi Ananta Rupa. Ananta means unlimited. unlimited forms. Krishna. Advaita Achyuti Anadi Ananta Rupam Adyam Purana Purusam. He is the original, oldest person, because Adyam original. Just like if you find out in your family who is the original man, so as far as you can count, go 100 years, 200 years back, find out who is the origin of your family member. So, that man must be Purana. Purana means very old. Krishna being the original person, Adi Purusam, Govindam Adi Purusam. Adi means original. We do not think that he might have become very, very old, because our material conception, sometimes we paint picture. God is the original person, then he must be very old. He must have grown so much white, grey hairs. No. The Vedic knowledge says, Advaita Achyate Anadi Anantarupam Adyam Purana Purusam, the oldest man. But Navajauvanancha, always just like a young man, 16 to 20 years old. That is called Navajauvan. When a man or woman comes to 16 years, that is the beginning of youthful life. That is 16 to 20 years, this is very nice, in full energy. And that is the time for growth, intelligence. Unfortunately, we spoil this period. So we become less intelligent. Life becomes shorter. If we spoil this period, then our life will be shortened. And if we keep this period, complete celibacy, brahmachari, then you can live up to 100 years. So, this period is very nice. It is called Navajauvan. Just new youthful life. Krishna will find all new, always new, youthful. You will never find Krishna's picture as old. Navajauvanach. Then again, it is said, Vedeshu Dullava. What is the sound? Vedeshu Dullava. Vede means in the Vedic literature, if you make research work, how Krishna is, then it will be difficult. Then you come to the impersonal only. Vedeshu Dullava. You have to go beyond the Vedas. What is that? Vedeshu Dullava Adurlava Atma Bhakto. Krishna is available through his confidential devotee. Not that if anyone has studied very nicely all Vedic literatures, he'll understand Krishna. No. Maybe, but it is very difficult. Krishna can be delivered by his devotee. Atma Bhakto. Therefore you have to take shelter of Krishna's devotee. That is parampara system. If we want to understand Krishna, if you want to have Krishna, Bhaktivinoda Thakur has sung a very nice song. He is praying to a Vaishnava. Vaishnava Thakur tomara kukur boliya janaho more. Sir Vaishnava, you are Thakur, You are as good as Krishna or God. Kindly accept me as your dog. Krishna, Vaishnava Thakur, tomaro kukur bolia jano. Kukur means dog. Just like dog follows the master very faithfully. We have to learn something from the dog. The dog also is a teacher. How to become faithful to the master. That teaching we can have even from the dog. He is very satisfied. Whatever food you give, he will not protest. He will still remain faithful. There are so many good qualifications of dog. So therefore, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Vaishnava Thakur, tomaro kukur boliya jano. Kindly accept me as your dog. I shall serve you faithfully. Why? Krishna se tomar, Krishna dite paro. Because Krishna is yours, you can deliver Krishna. Very nice. Krishna is yours. By your devotional service, you have made Krishna your property. So you can deliver Krishna to me. Therefore, I want to follow you as faithfully as a dog. Vedeshu dullava. This is confirmed in the Brahma-samhita. Vedeshu dullava. If you study independently all the Vedas, Veda is the source of knowledge, so Vedeshu dullava, it will be difficult. But if you approach a Krishna's devotee, then it will be very easy. Krishna says, Vedeshu dullava adullava atma bhakto advaita yacchati anadi ananta rupam adyam purana purusam navajo banancha Vedeshu dullava adullava atma bhakto govindamadi purusam tamaham bhajans. This is the next law. The record is Angani jasya sakalendriya vittimandi. Next sloka is this. Advaita yacchati anadi. You can repeat. Advaita, I say, you say. Advaita, achyuta, anadi, anantya, rupam, adyam, purana, purusam, nava, Jovanancha Vedeshu Durlava Adur Lava Atma Bhakto Govindam Adipurusam Tamaham Bhajami Advaita Yachyutayanadi Ananta Rupam Adyam Purana Purusam Navajovanancha Vedeshu dullabhayadurlabhayatma vakto govindamadi purusam tamaham bhajami. Thank you.